Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and delicious recipe. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even snack. It's super easy, flavorful, and it comes together in no time. And trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. First, we are starting with our chicken, which I've already deboned them. I'm using chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast. I feel that whenever I use chicken breast, it becomes so dry, so I normally use chicken thigh. To season the chicken, I'm using a mix of salt, onion, and garlic powder, Italian seasoning, oregano, cayenne pepper, sage, and a little bit of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness. Okay, to that, we'll drizzle some oil over the chicken and add in some sliced onion for extra flavor. We'll mix everything together, make sure the chicken is well coated, and let it marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once our chicken is well marinated, I'm going to go ahead to roast it in my air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees or until our chicken is fully cooked and golden brown. Once our chicken is cooked, we'll go ahead to slice the chicken into stripes and set it aside and allow it to cool down. Look how juicy and flavorful our chicken is. Now, let's make our sauce. In a small bowl, we'll mix together some homemade mayonnaise and sweet chili sauce. I posted the mayonnaise recipe just recently on my channel, so kindly check it out. And guys, mixing these two ingredients together gives our wrap a creamy and tangy combo, which will take our wrap to the next level. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. Now to assemble our wrap, this is the tortilla that I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and lay one tortilla flat on my work surface. And the other ingredients I cut off camera is my red bell pepper, sweet onion, and some lettuce. We'll start by spreading a thinly layer of our sauce across the tortilla. This will act as our base, okay? Now we'll layer on my sliced chicken. To that, we'll add in some sweet onions, some fresh cut lettuce, red bell peppers. I'm going to go ahead to add more sauce for that extra flavor, and a few slices of avocado if you like. So I'm going to carefully roll up my tortilla from top to bottom, then flip the other side so that it can all be sealed up, okay? So I like my wrap to have a little crunchy texture. So to a heated pan, I'm going to melt some butter. You can use any oil of choice, okay? Then once our butter is well melted, I'm going to place our tortilla wrap, then give it a quick toast for that crunchy texture. So I'm going to allow it to toast on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes. And that's about it, guys. Your lunch or dinner is ready in no time. So easy and absolutely delicious. There you have it, a simple, flavorful chicken tortilla wrap you can whip up in no time. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new recipes. Let me know in the comments how your wrap turns out, and thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.